Advanced robotics, artificial intelligence, sophisticated sensors. You are looking at A-Star's latest playground, the Model Factory at A-Star's Advanced Remanufacturing and Technology Center. Launched in August 2018 as part of A-Star's Model Factories initiative, the Model Factory at ARTC contains state-of-the-art technologies at this 15,000 square feet facility. The aim? To create a platform to allow enterprises to invest and integrate advanced manufacturing processes into their production setup. I'm here today to learn more about the Model Factory is a state-of-the-art facility that allows companies to integrate various high-end technologies into their manufacturing operations. But can a non-engineer survive a day here and not break anything? To prove that, you'll be put through a series of tests today with the help of an expert whom we've carefully selected. P.S. For the love of God, please don't break anything. And so, without a clue of what awaits me, I set off to look for the expert. I'm here now with our expert for today, Mr. Murli. Nice to meet you. He's going to be helping me navigate through the entire Model Factory and help me master what we see today. So, Mr. Murli, what do we have planned for today?
Okay, Imran. So let me just bring you to the virtual wall. We're going to take you a little journey and you're going to get your hands dirty, as it were. We're going to go from the virtual world to the augmented reality world and then to the industry line to the real world. And then we'll wrap it all up in the control room. So, as a first step, are you ready for some virtual training?
I think so.
Good. So then let's get started. What we have here is the virtual training package that we have created, which allows you to train an operator virtually on the process that we have downstairs. Are you ready to go into the deep end?
I'm willing to give it a shot.
Okay, so I'll give you some fancy equipment.
What are these?
This is my generation's idea of what the future should look like.
I see.
So we've got little antenna sticking there. And then from your generation, I'll give you a laser gun. Okay, so those are the three parts that you need to pick up. You start with that one. Okay, got it. One down.
Nice. Second one.
Again, it's guided. Click. And the last piece. You're done. Congratulations, you've passed the test.
That wasn't so hard. Well, it felt like I was on the factory floor without actually being in the factory floor.
And that's the aim here, so that you don't have to create a unique training ground on the factory floor. You can do it in the virtual space. So now, you're ready to move out of the virtual world a little bit closer to reality.
I guess I have to.
You have to. We'll go down now and look at augmented reality.
Sounds good.
Let's go.
So what's this machine, Mr. Murli?
It's a CNC machine, and this is where you're going to do augmented reality maintenance. You've probably seen this before.
Yes, I have.
Okay, hold it.
Okay.
Point it at the control board.
Oh, I see some things lighting up.
Yes. Pops up.
Ah, yes.
Tells you what to do.
Okay.
Next step, just follow instructions, point it at the chuck. So now you have augmented reality. It will lead you through maintaining this machine.
So it's essentially telling me how to fix this machine before I even approach it.
Exactly.
Okay.
So you can pick this up and go and work on a machine. Okay. So congratulations, you can tell your parents you can maintain a CNC machine.
Wow. I don't think they'll even understand that, but I will give it a try.
Right? Yeah. So now we do some real fun. Real stuff. Let's go that way.
Looking forward to this.
Come, let's go.
In the next episode, I observe details. Why are they so brightly colored?
You have to ask the designer.
Lift heavy things. Oh, that's quite heavy. Yes.
Correct.
And pretend to be a real engineer. I can feel like a real engineer.